Hey guys, today is Wednesday, June 5th, and I'm gonna be applying Scott's Turf Builder Summer Lawn Food, which is part of the Scott's regimen that I've talked about in my previous videos. So this is I actually got a notification here on my lawn app telling me that it is time to put in Turf Builder. If you look at the date here, when to apply, it says May 3rd through May 14th. However, if you remember my other videos, I also said that I will be adding Milorganite as a supplement. So I delayed applying this for a little bit, since I also applied Milorganite on what was it, May 6th. Applied Milorganite May 6, 2019. So I delayed applying this for about a month, since I'm really pushing my lawn. I'm being kind of aggressive because I want my lawn to grow and get thicker. So I'm really pushing it. So just delayed it about a month. Now I'm about to apply it, and before it rains. If you look at the weather, it's looking like it's about to rain. So here we go. Hey guys, it's Thursday, June 6th, and I actually had some problems with the video last night in my tripod. I thought I had positioned the camera the right way while I was applying the Turf Builder here from Scott's, so I didn't manage to catch any video. But this is the next morning, and just wanted to show you that I applied about two-thirds of the bag, and since this covers 12,000 square feet, and as soon as after I applied the Turf Builder here, it started raining, so which is a good thing. It didn't rain too hard, but we got some good irrigation right after finish applying it. But just wanted to make a quick video this morning to show you what it's looking like right now. And also what I wanted to mention is, I know you guys see me talk about my neighbor's lawn, how there's a little separation here, or you know, a little contrast between their lawn and my lawn. Well, this past week they actually came up to me and asked me what I'm putting on my lawn, and they actually went to purchase it, and they came back with the Scott's Triple Action. Since they started out late in the game, that's what I advised them to get. So we're gonna keep an eye out on their lawn here, because I'm already actually seeing some difference here. It's starting to get green, and they still got a lot of areas all over their lawn where there's bare spots. There's a lot of brown spots. So I'm actually already seeing some difference after the rain that happened yesterday, and the irrigation that I advised them to do at least 4 times a week after applying the Scott's Triple Action. Alright guys, y'all have a good day. We'll keep an eye on that.